Obviously, you'll be on a harness.
We'll paint out the wires in post.
All right, let me get in there. Places, everyone.
Hey, that's my job.
Hamster, what did you make this costume out of?
Burlap?
Burlap?
We're working on a budget, Kevin.
Line.
And save it from being destroyed. How have you not learned your lines yet?
Can we take 5? I'm so hot and these lights are affecting my acting.
Yeah, it's the lights.
No phones on my set.
Sorry, I'll put it on silent.
Hurry up. I'm sweating so much from these lights. I'm gonna look like a pinto bean.
You're not the superhero I want! Hold on. Dry throat.
I hate wet stuff on my suit.
Just let it dry and it'll flake off. I've got an idea. I'll be back in 2 seconds.
1, 2, liar.
I'll never forget you. Bye forever.
Words of a poet, if I do say so myself.
How about we try keeping Dad away from this guy until we can all get off the train?
Can I add that I really want one of those milkshakes I heard about?
Oh, finally.
You were with the man who has my briefcase. Tell me where he is, or else.
Hey, you. Ticket, please.
Hamster Gretel. This is spy stuff, not superhero stuff. This doesn't concern you.
I've been stuck on a train for 4 hours and I've had 0 milkshakes. That concerns me.
The conductor, Ludwig von Schrute.
So glad I could take off that train conductor outfit and get into my symphony conductor outfit.
I hate it when a word means 2 different things.
My Philharmonic laser, capable of blowing up the moon if I so choose.
What kind of madman hates the moon? Look out!
Gretel! The drone can't handle water!
Got it.
Time to drown out these bad notes. Everything looks bad when you put it in a montage.
You notice anything?
Nope. Then again, we are wearing sunglasses indoors.
Oh, wow. There's a whole bunch of clues. Someone or something smashed this grate from the inside. Do you know what this means?
We're gonna have to crawl through some vents, aren't we? Well, good thing this suit's a rental.
See anything?
Let me check. Just more vents, same as the last hour.
You know, you're like 4 inches tall. You could just walk.
Then I look like the jerk. Yeah, right. I'm crawling. No glasses, no way to control robot.
And no senseless destruction. We protected you and found Chad without wrecking the school.
But to be fair, that was mostly the robot.
Hamster and Gretel, I don't know where they are. They just show up when there's trouble and destruction.
Then we will create trouble and destruction.
Oh, fiddly widdly winks.
Now you're just saying random syllables.
Luke, you guys are in big trouble.
For destruction and copyright infringement.
Silence, inferior flesh beings.
Our creator has sent us here to destroy you.
Your creator? Who's your creator? None of your business, protein sack.
He combined your DNA with our cybernetic network.
So we possess all your powers and abilities?
Plus, we are really cool robots. I like your look, but my hamster wheel isn't big enough for the 2 of us. What the? Oh. I knew AI would make my job obsolete.
There's only one thing a hero can do at a time like this.
Run?
Exactly.
We have lost them. What will we do?
Our memory banks may contain a clue as to their whereabouts. Pause. Enlarge. Cross-referencing with motor vehicle database. Found them. I did good, didn't I?
Pick that up. No sign of them in the kitchen.
Have you checked the bathroom? I hear humans spend a lot of time in there.
Wait, I'm detecting sonic vibrations.
Okay, I'm getting very sick of the vintage oatmeal.
And put a little more newspaper in here. I want to be comfy.
Whoa, that was totally moose bananas.
I keep working on the catchphrases. Guys, we got a problem. Why does your dad look like a drummer in an 80s cover band?
Midlife crisis?
No!
bullseye.
Our creator thought of everything. Yeah, well, your creator's a real jerk.
A brilliant jerk. Wah ha 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 ha. They've got us. Oh, horse hockey. Horses do not play hockey.
That does not compute. Gretel, not the best time for your new vernacular.
You couldn't just punch them?
Sometimes you just gotta hit someone with a street lamp.
And you were worried about being ordinary. You're my favorite little weirdo. Mordros' robots were powerful, but humans are weird and funny and unpredictable, with a spirit and a light inside of us.
You want me to throw you into space after him?
No, I was done. A light inside of us that's not easily extinguished. Now I'm done.
I hope you're right, Kevin. I hope you're right.
Psst, it's Fred. Trouble at the high school.
Oh, it is on!
Must not like sausages.
Cheerio, governors! Hip hip!
That's the worst English accent I've ever heard. I think it's a little small for you.
Oh, hey, Hamster. And welcome to Kevin's Design Studio. When I got shrunk by Tchotchke's Ray and had to stay in your cage, I kind of saw how lame it was.
Gee, thanks.
I'm just trying to say, could use a little redesign.
Kevin, my cage does not need a redesign. It's perfect for me. I like it just the way it is.
Okay, I get that, but let me pitch you my idea. Your cage lacks a theme, so I've chosen the groovy 70s. Water bottle, more like volcano lamp. Your glowing wheel becomes a bedazzled disco ball. And bye-bye wood shavings, and hello, rust-colored shag.
Rust-colored shag? Are you mad at me about something?
What? No, I...
You know I actually need to drink out of that water bottle, right?
Good note, yeah.
I need a complete redesign. You have 24 hours.
What? But this was my idea.
Less talky, more drawy.
The floor is now made of concrete, clean, minimalist.
Tough to sleep on, and where's my wheel?
The wheel has been replaced by this drawing of the idea of a wheel.
How do I run on that?
If you have to ask, you don't get it.
I had the chance to work with a real interior designer on this project, and I should have taken it.
What kind of real interior designer would work on a hamster cage?
Scott McCutcheon's best dollhouse interior designer in the country, and he owes me a favor.
Sorry, Hamster. I've already taken on another client. Okay, let's talk curtains.
Looks like I'm stuck with you, for now. Come up with a bunch of new ideas, and I want you to cut 10% off of your quote.
But I'm working for free.
Do you want the job or not?
No. I want it. I need it.
Everything you've done is bad. Try again.
You can't even see it.
I just know.
Hamster! There's a breakout down at the prison.
Let's fly.
What about Kevin?
He's on a deadline. Johnny McBurlap, I thought you were all sewn up.
Not a chance.
For the active woman?
Precisely. Your super punches will do nothing.
Try the seams, Connie's old weakness.
Good thinking, Hamster.
My sewing skills have vastly improved in prison. You'll never stop me.
It looks like this thing runs on electricity, but I don't know what's powering it. Hey, look, I love that fresh linen scent too, but what's the plan here?
Just follow my lead.
Didn't you hear? Giant pants monsters are so last season. Another supervillain vanquished. What's going on here?
I'm giving up. You're never gonna like any of my designs for your cage.
Whoa, talk to me about this hamster wheel.
I had it made for you. Maybe the rats at the dump will want it. Not for running on, just to make fun of.
Chrome gears? Velvet running surface? It's beautiful.
It is?
This is the best day of my life.
What about the day you got superpowers?
Oh yeah, that was better. But this is a close second, or third, or fourth, or fifth. You know, somewhere around there.
My orchid is a loser, but it won't be for long.
That sound ominous to anyone?
Yeah, a little.
Thank you, Superhero Gretel.
Hey, I'm here too. Don't I get a little credit?
Come on, they don't even know you're here. And Hamster's here too.
Superhero Gretel saved Gretel.
Wait a minute.
If we destroy the plant, it'll drop the gem. But I'm worried about trying to catch it with all these people inside.
Maybe we can fly each of them to the ground first. What the?
Do you think you can move a cloud?
Move a cloud. We're superheroes, not Scandinavian fairies.
Maybe blow on it with your super breath? Figure it out.
I'll take the grass, you take the cloud.
Fine. Bacon, guess what I got us?
You got Bailey and me headphones?
Oh, I only got 2. One for you and an extra small for me. Hi, Bailey. This is very awkward. I'm hanging up.
Why are you here if you're not helping me?
I was just waiting for my hoodie to dry. Ugh. By the way, dude, you should wash these twice. With fire.
Hey, Hamster!
Glad you two could make it.
Huh? Weren't we just in the park?
I feel like we missed a lot.
It's gonna take forever to pick up all these socks.
I'll buy you new socks, dude. Believe me, I'm doing you and the world a favor.
Shouldn't you guys be training to fight Mordros the Annihilator?
You know, the guy who said he's going to annihilate us?
Oh, haven't you heard? He's not coming.
What?
I'm just messing with you. He's still coming.
This is exactly the problem. You're not taking this seriously enough. You should be preparing.
Kevin, we're training constantly. We fight bad guys every day.
Speaking of training, I'm gonna get out on the golf course and work on my swing.
But I'm gonna stay here in case a villain attacks or something.
Hamster can hold down the fort. Can't you, Hamster?
I've already paid my caddy.
Hamster, Gretel needs this training.
Fine. What's on the schedule?
Nothing big, just reading to some preschoolers.
Nothing big? I love kids. And more importantly, kids love me. I mean, look at me.
Hamster, we're so glad you could be here.
Well, I love kids, and kids love me.
And where is Gretel?
She has the day off.
Oh, I see. Where's Gretel? Oh, well, Gretel couldn't make it today, so.
I'm a superpowered hamster. What more do you want?
Gretel, find your aspirational! We want Gretel! We want Gretel! Teachers to the bunker! Go! Where is she?
Let me in there!
We don't have room for you!
I'm the size of an empanada!
We want Gretel! We want Gretel!
This is the scariest villain I've ever faced. Okay, buddy, you can do this. Remember, you're great with kids. Hey, everyone. Who wants to hear a story? A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. They're everywhere, Mr. Fluffers. I don't know what to do. Gotta admit, that's kind of relaxing. Fluffers, you've just given me an idea. All right. If you behave, you can pet me. Okay, crisscross applesauce in a row. I guess kids aren't so bad.
I like tacos made by people with life experience.
I concur.
What? Come on, you just agree with Gretel because you're her sidekick. Wait, I left my drink in the cup holder. Be right back.
You don't just agree with me because you're my sidekick.
Of course not. You agree with me because you're my sidekick.
What? No way.
We have the same powers, same strength. I just have that main character energy.
You're more comic relief. That's why you have all the good zingers.
I won't dignify that with a response.
See? Zing!
Cut the charade. You are literally named Hamster and Gretel. Your brother is their intern, and he can talk.
No, I can't. I mean, Squeak.
He wants to work off his guilt, and I'm letting him cause he's my friend.
Seems less like a friend and more like a 400-pound steel lackey.
That's not true. Main computer, tell them that's not true.
That's not true.
Thank you. You're just jealous because Kev and MC are a better duo than Hamster and Gretel.
First of all, we're not jealous, and second, it's Gretel and Hamster.
No, my name comes first. It's in the theme song.
What theme song?
Quit changing the subject. Total sidekick energy.
Takes one to know one.
Okay, we're gonna settle this once and for all. Underground layer, now! So for all these reasons, I am the hero and you're my sidekick.
Dude, I lug you around in a baby carrier.
Yeah, because I'm too important to walk.
Oh, it's Kevin. He'll settle this. Kevin, we—
Gretel! The space agency is after main computer! I need you to get to Cliffside Park now!
Oh, you need me?
Hey, Hamster, hurry!
Last one, there's the sidekick.
You're on.
Gretel with the save!
See?
Huh?
What's up?
All right, Hamster!
Hamster, thank you. If it wasn't for you, Kevin would have been pancaked. Guess you do have main character energy.
Yeah, well, I guess being your sidekick has rubbed off on me.
Nah, you're totally the main hero.
Go on. It's definitely you. I'm the sidekick.
No, I'm the sidekick.
No, it's me. Say it!
Sir, thank goodness you are all right.
Done and done.
Who would want to stop the fishing tournament?
A fish.
I don't think a trout wrote the note. We've got to figure out who's threatening the tournament before anyone else gets hurt. You need to stay in the competition. Actually, you need to win.
What?
True. If someone's going after the winner, it would keep everyone else safe if the winner is damage resistant. At least one of them. I mean, Dave is cool, but indestructible he is not.
So you and Hamster get to investigate who the bad guy is while I'm stuck learning how to fish?
Yes, exactly.
Yep.
But fishing is hard.
We got to keep the winner safe.
Move them to a safe house. Give them new lives, a fresh start in a new city. Too much? Why are you doing this? Because no one wants to ride your dumb swan boats?
No, because I've always wanted to enter this contest. I've lived on the lake my whole life and had to stand back year after year watching them crown a winner, knowing that just because one silly rule, that will never be me.
What rule?
That I have to have a daughter. They won't let me enter without one. I only have 7 useless sons.
Okay, time to put a stop to this.
Drop it.
I'll deal with it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Drop it. Drop.
Is everything okay? What just happened?
Everything's fine.
What is happening?
Ow! Obviously, that device Churro dragged in switched our bodies. The center of gravity of this thing stinks. Ow! Everything on this thing stinks. Well, at least I still have my sentience and powers. Sadly, I lost my good looks. Bark. Hey, man, I'm not looking for any trouble. But if you insist, I can hand some out.
Churro, come here, boy. We need you.
We'll have to put a pin in this.
There you are, good boy. Look what I got for you.
Bark.
It smells fishy.
That's clam chowder, baby. And it's coming from up there. Wow, that fortune cookie was right. A penny saved is a penny earned. No, not that one. Ugh, why is this chowder so thick?
Extra cornstarch.
You monster!
Are you seriously this bitter about not finding love?
I have an idea. BRB.
Tacky, but charming, and no...
Yo, Clam, think fast.
6 bouquets? What's all this?
It's only the busiest wedding venue in town.
I guess there's someone for everyone.
It's just like that fortune cookie said. You will be stuck in a flood of clam chowder. Where was that one earlier?
Our first step is to quietly vacate the van and sneak inside.
Yeah, we know. And you're not wearing those sunglasses. It's nighttime.
I just like feeling like a secret agent. The outfits are so cool.
Obviously, we look amazing, but we need to focus. Again, no sunglasses. This is riveting.
Challenging.
We need to get to the media room.
But I need to know if Flunderburn finds the stolen diamonds. Hey, Kevin, I really value our friendship.
Me too. I love you, man.
Right back at you, brother. Huh. I just said something I would never normally say.
Sometimes I miss when you didn't have powers and I could pet you.
And you made it weird. It's never good when a large building shakes. We'll take that. Alley-oop!
Box of truth, gas punch!
Now what's Jupiter's problem?
Hamster scoreboard.
On it.
Our secret mission was all for nothing.
Well, not nothing. It did confirm how good I look in black. Water soluble or not. What do you make of this weird countdown?
Well, I hate lying to her and things have been super awkward between us.
There it is.
Kevin, we can't tell Hiromi just because you have a crush on her. Let's go, Hamster.
And maybe we stop at the little Scandinavia market afterward. It's the only place you can buy pickled herring.
Ugh.
Or we can get something you like.
What do you want with us?
And could you turn down the heat a little? It's like the surface of the sun in here. I've been there, so I would know.
No, left!
Wait, my left or your left?
Maybe she means my left?
Our left is the same. Ooh, is that pickled herring?
My minions are poised to destroy the city. But you can stop it if you answer all my questions.
Oh, I get it. You're gonna ask us some riddles, and we have to...
No, not riddles, just very direct questions. Mouse in the corner!
Actually, I'm a hamster on a table.
No, not you!
What's going on?
Nothing!
I have a feeling that misdirect is Hiromi.
Only one way to find out.
And why did you have to pick such a hot warehouse? It's like the surface of the sun in here, which I've been to.
You already said that.
I'm dehydrated.
My journalism teacher helped me get it. She has a lot of warehouse connections.
Is that normal for a teacher? I'm genuinely asking. I don't know. I'm a hamster. Oh, nothing relaxes me quite like making a batch of gherkins for the long winter.
This was the perfect activity to take our minds off that whole Hiromi drama.
I will reveal the identities of superheroes Hamster and Gretel on the 3 o'clock news from these DNA results. I've captured your friend Hiromi, and I will be putting her in danger ×3.
Huh? Why did he have to make this so needlessly confusing?
Entertainment value? I don't know.
You guys have to rescue Hiromi!
What is this stuff?
Industrial strength molasses. That's annoying.
We gotta get out of this stuff. It's almost 3 o'clock.
There they are! Hamster Gretel!
We're super strong. How are we trapped in molasses?
Well, it's industrial strength.
Once the world finds out who we are, we won't be able to be superheroes anymore.
Yeah, we'll probably have to go underground, come up with new identities, start an outdoor circus in New Orleans.
You've thought about this before?
Every day.
Well, no matter what happens, we will always be family.
Always.
The time has come to reveal the true identity of Hamster and Gretel. Well, Gretel anyway. Hamster's DNA is just some random hamster.
Wow.
Your beloved superhero Gretel's true identity is... Clovis Jerome Wachowski. Wait, what? That's my name.
Who?
Huh?
No idea.
So wait, you're that guy?
No!
What is this stuck to my face?
It's your industrial strength molasses. Thanks for helping to keep our identities a secret, Hiromi.
Yeah, thanks, Hiromi, even though you caused this entire thing in the first place.
I know how it looks, but I promise your secret is safe with me.
Yeah, we'll see. Come on, Hamster.
I'm still not giving up on my New Orleans circus idea.
What is going on?
Okay, he's strong, fast, and impervious to 18-wheelers.
What the?
That was not on my end-of-the-world bingo card. Gretel, he's too powerful.
But look what
We
he
need
did.
to get to safety and make a plan. It's what Kevin would do.
Ugh. Hamster, do you speak chinchilla?
I cannot tell you how insulting that is.
Bailey and Fred said Mordros is in this picture.
Probably in the part that was chewed off.
It's a Destructress? Who's that? My name's Lauren. Just a regular teenage girl.
Get the act. We know you're the Destructress.
Okay, you got me. Now, how do we stop Mordros?
Well, the first step is to take down that drill he's using to power his weapon.
But we can't get past him to get to the drill.
There's the drill. Let's smash it.
Wait here, Kevin.
Hey, Mordros here. If you're seeing this hologram, it means you've triggered my drill's anti-powers defense system.
I'm starting to feel weird.
Powers. Draining.
You see, on every planet I annihilate, some superpowered do-gooder always tries to stop me, and they always fail. And you are about to join them.
Oh, no.
Yeah, this could have gone better. This anti-powers field is no joke. No.
Hamster!
So weak.
This is my destiny. My purpose.
Kevin, we're dying here.
Sorry. I was only able to save you guys because you saved me.
Yeah, not bad for a former chinchilla.
Guess you can't turn the entire human race into chinchillas anymore. Which, by the way, is the weirdest revenge plan I've ever heard.
So put that in your helmet and wear it.
Mrs. Mimic?
You brought our elderly neighbor? Oh, great. World saved.
I was a perfectly happy chinchilla, and now I'm filled with resentment and self-awareness.
I feel you, bro.
Hold on! We have to do something! Wait! Gretel's shield is only above ground!
Which means if we can get under it...
We can help her!
But if we just rush in there, we could get sucked into the rift, too.
We need something to anchor us!
The
rift's closing up!
Now that's poetic justice.
Should we maybe tell them about the much, much, much greater evil coming to destroy them all?
Nah, let them have this.